So I took 6 months to get this decision. Basically, first I'll enter to place and I'll build up my own repair style on skill. Then after that, I knew I can do this one because last 6 months slowly, gradually build up customer base, and I know I can earn without any hustle this much amount. Then what I thought when I enter 60K floor works and ground works is a big risk. So many people doesn't want to take that risk. That's why I always say take a risk, otherwise you can't grow. Because of that, however, finally I took it this decision. If you won't get down your expenses, you must to work. That's why I always working. Big challenge we facing in here, brake roller tester here to need to install. You can see like a around 1 foot solid concrete layer here. When we start, we didn't expect like this challenge, but however finally we face into this challenge. We using bigger breaker like this and put much effect. Finally we go through this process. Trust me, it's very hard decision. It's very solid flow. We take a day and night, 3 days to make it this one square. Still we are not 100% success. We are still work on it. If you want, you can spend more money. We can use the digger overnight. We can do the floor. But other thing, that is another challenge I facing, because this building very old. When you using machineries, diggers, lot of vibration. I don't want start the job ending with rebuild this building again. So because of that, I thought no, I'm going to use manpower. People, 4 people work around this pit and here, including myself. If I using diggers and do these 2 jobs, normally it will cost around 10 grand easily, but very quicker and risk very massive. We never know how is this walls because this building very old. So because of that, we start using own manpower and digging. But however, this job will took nearly week. Now we are nearly there, all done. So either way, you can choosing whichever. If you want to go fast track, if you want to spend more money, that's fast track. Or if you want save money, go slowly, take a bit time, using this way what I using. I highly recommend to you, this is the way we need to go, because we can save bit money, because every day we need to save bit and bit, and we can use that money for the future. This is not only garage, this is for my future successful. Basically, you have a question now. If I spend 60 grand for this one, how long am I want to wait for recover that money? Big question mark there. That's why we need to plan everything properly. At the moment, my plan, within 3 years, I will recover this spend, and after 3 years, I will make a profit. It's not like a short term process. Lot of equipment need to come in next week. Once it's in, I'll show you how we're going to install everything. And meantime, if you have any question, comments, suggestion, comment section open for you. So don't forget, please subscribe and follow the channel. You will get the next mission here.